Check out this Jeep 2019 Renegade Sport. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include black cloth low-back bucket seats, wheels, 16-inch x 6.5 inches styled steel, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD, engine, 2.4 Li 40 evap air, STD, tires, 215/65 R16 LBL all-season, STD, quick order package 2XA included, engine 2.4 Li 40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, Colorado red clear coat, front-wheel drive and power steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.